बच्चों, आज हम इस लेक्चर में पैसेज 9 सॉल्व करेंगे सीसैट 2013 का। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम हम पैसेज रीड करते हैं। क्रूड मिनरल ऑयल कम्स आउट ऑफ द अर्थ एज अ थिक ब्राउन और ब्लैक लिक्विड विद a strong smell. It is a complex mixture of many different substances, each with its own individual qualities. Most of them are combinations of hydrogen and carbon in varying proportions. Such hydrocarbons are also found in other forms such as bitumen, asphalt, and natural gas. Mineral oil originates from the carcasses of tiny animals and from plants that live in the sea. Over millions of years, these dead creatures form large deposits under the seabed, and ocean currents cover them with a blanket of sand and silt. So underline first 2 to 3 lines. This is the introduction of the passage. As this mineral hardens, it becomes sedimentary rock and effectively shuts out the oxygen, so preventing the complete decomposition of the marine deposits underneath. The layers of sedimentary rock become thicker and heavier, and their pressure produces heat, which transforms the tiny carcasses into crude oil in a process that is still going on today. So last 2 to 3 lines of the passage are conclusion of the passage, so underline that also. So now we will solve the questions. First question is, mineral oil deposits under the sea do not get completely decomposed because they, and this is given in the passage directly, clearly mentioned in the passage that it becomes, as this mineral hardens, it becomes sedimentary rock and effectively shuts out the oxygen, so preventing the complete decomposition of the marine deposits underneath. तो ऑक्सीजन शट डाउन करता है, मतलब ऑक्सीजन एंटर नहीं होने देता, इसलिए प्रिवेंशन होता है, कंप्लीट डिकम्पोजिशन नहीं हो पाता है डिपॉजिट्स का. तो दिस इज गिवन इन द B option, become rock and prevent oxygen from entering them. This is not the answer, and this is given in the passage, but this is not the reason, and this is also not the reason, so we can eliminate this, and B will be the correct answer for this question. Next question, sedimentary rock leads to the formation of oil deposits because, this is also clearly given in the passage, the layers of sedimentary rock become thicker and heavier. Their pressure produces heat, which transforms the tiny carcasses into crude oil in a process that is still going on today. So जो इसके प्रेशर से सेडिमेंट्री रॉक जो थिकर एंड हेवियर हो जाता है, उसके प्रेशर से जो हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है, उसके वजह से जो कैरकसेस है उनका क्रूड ऑयल में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. So, and that is given in the C option. Weight of the overlying sediment layers causes production of heat, and that's why sedimentary rock leads to the formation of oil deposits. So C will be the correct answer for this question. There are no saline conditions below it. This is extreme statement, so we can eliminate it. It allows some dissolved oxygen to enter the dead organic matter below it. No, it will not allow to enter the oxygen. It prevents the oxygen from entering into. So this is not given in the passage, and this is opposite to the view of the author, so B can eliminate. And D, it contains the substances that catalyzes the chemical reaction, and passage is not at all talking about the chemical reaction, so we can also eliminate this option also. So C will be the correct answer. Weight of overlying sediment layers causes production of heat. So hope so all of you understood well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and we will solve next passage in the next lecture. And stay tuned with me. Do not take burden, learn with fun, and enjoy learning. Thanks for watching.